Hey there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 15 and let's see the question number 1. The question is, write a Java program to print the Fibonacci series up to a given number using a for loop. We need to use the for loop to print the Fibonacci series. The input format must be a number which represents the maximum value up to which the Fibonacci series should be printed. And the output format should be the Fibonacci series up to the given number separated by spaces. So, let us first recap what is Fibonacci series. So, Fibonacci series is a famous sequence where each term represents the sum of the preceding two terms. So, it always starts with 0 and the second term is 1. So, the sum of these two numbers is 1, the sum of these two numbers is 2, the sum of these two is 3 and 5 and 8 and it goes so on. So, this is the Fibonacci series, and here if the user gives us an input of 4, the output should be till here. So, this 3 is less than 4, right. So, the output must be till there, and if the user gives us the input of 10, then the Fibonacci series should be till here, because 8 is less than 10. So, this is how the input and output format should be. So, how will we do it? So, we will take this term as first term and this term as second term, and then we will find the next term. So, the next term, after finding the next term, we are going to update this first term and second term. So, this second term, this 1 will become the first term, the next term will become the second term. So, this will be updated with f, the first term, and this will become the second term, and we will keep on repeating the process. So, let us see how to write the code in Java. So, let us first create a new file, Fibonacci.java, and now let me create the main method. So, let us take the user input. So, for that I am creating the scanner object, and now I am going to use this object to take the user input of the limit. So, max limit equals ob.nextInt. Now, we have to use the for loop to take it right. So, let me declare the first term as 0, first term is equal to 0, and the next term is, so let me declare here itself. So, second term is equal to 1. So, the data type for both these variables, first term and second term, is int. So, this is a shortcut, and now we will write the for loop. So, what is the initial condition? When I is equal to 0. So, let us take I is equal to 1, and now what is the ending condition? We have seen that the ending condition should be the end of the max limit, right. So, let me write first term is less than max limit, and in each iteration we will increase the I. So, let me write int here, and now I am going to print. So, so now I have to update the next term, right. So, let me write the next term here. So, I have declared the next term. From now on I am going to update this next term with first term plus second term. Before that I have to print the second term, print the first term. So, after this I have to update the second term as first term. So, I have to give the value of the second term to the first term, right. So, here I am going to write, so here this value, whatever value the second term was having, is going to assign to the first term, and now whatever value the next term is having will be assigned to the second term. So, let me give a brief explanation once again. So, here the max limit will be given as an input by the user. We have declared the first term as 0 and second term as 1 as they are constant, and the next term we are going to calculate. So, the next term is always the first term plus second term. So, first of all we will iterate, we will start with 1, and here we are going to here this is the final condition where we are going to stop the iteration process. So, whenever the first term is less than the max limit, so let us take the input as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So, if the input is 6, the Fibonacci series will be printed up to this number. So, this is what the final condition is for, and now I plus plus. So, here we are going to print the first term. So, what is the first term in the starting case? It is 0, and now the next term will be updated as 0 plus 1. So, what is the next term here? It is 1, and now the first term is updated with the second term. Now, the first term will become 1, the second term will become 1 2. So, now we will again go through the process. Here the first term printed will be 1, and then the first term plus second term is 2. So, the next term will become 2. So on it will keep on repeating. So, until this output is less than the max limit, we are going to iterate this process, and now finally we will close the object. So, let me run the file. We have to compile the file first, and now I have to run it, Java Fibonacci. So, what should be the limit? So, let us give 6. So, the output must be this. So, look at this, I have got 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So, what can I do to get all those numbers in one line? So, I can remove this ln. So, this is because whenever there is ln, the print statement goes to the next line and the output will be printed in the next line. So, now let me compile the file again and run the file. So, let me give the output as 8. So, look at this, I have got 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So, 5 is less than 8, that is why the Fibonacci series is printed till there. So, this is how you use a for loop to print the Fibonacci series. So, this is a very fun way to use the Java to print this series. That is it for this video. Do join the WhatsApp group to get more updates on the 100 days of free code challenge. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.